Okay, good morning, evening, afternoon to everyone all around the world. You're back with Aldi, the strangest tutor that you will ever find on the internet. And today, we will be learning about Sundanese alphabet and the spelling system of Sundanese. Sundanese has traditionally been written in native Sundanese script, in Javanese script, as well as Arabic script. However, now we have also been using the international alphabet A until Z to write in Sundanese. Therefore, let's start our journey in learning Sundanese by learning about the spelling system of Sundanese. Let's go. Sundanese alphabet. Yeah, we will not be learning Sundanese alphabet written in Sundanese script. It will come in another chapter. But we will be learning how Sundanese is read and written in international Roman alphabet. Yeah. I think it's also quite easy and straightforward to understand because unlike English, where a word or where a letter can sound more than one sound, in Sundanese, all letters, vowels, and consonant only have one sound. Yeah, that means the writing system will be quite straightforward. Let's write letters from A to Z. Okay, this is A, B, C, D, E. Yeah. The first five letters, yeah, we read this as A. A as in father, yeah. A as in father. Yeah, the A as in father. This one will be B. Yeah, the B as in bed. Yeah, the B of bed. This one is the A of father, the A of father. This one is Ch. It's read as the Ch in chicken. Yeah. So A, B, Ch. This one is D. Yeah, the day of sad. Yeah. This one is A, as in met. You know the past verb of meet. Yeah, met. And then letters F, G, H, I, and J. Yeah. The letter F here is the one in fast. Yeah, the F in fast. Yeah. This one is G, the G as in the G of good. Yeah. This one is H as in hotel, the H of hotel. Okay, let me scroll down a bit, yeah, so that everyone can see. Okay, this one is E, yeah, E as in impure, the E of impure, yeah. This one is J in, let's say, jump, the J of jump, yeah. So A, B, Ch, it's always read the same voice, yeah. It always has the same voice. So if you see Sundanese letter C, it Ch, it will always be read as Ch. The sound is only one for each letter. Okay, let's move on to the other sounds. K, L, M, N, O, P. N, O, P. This K is for the K as in. Do you have a word suggestion? K. Oh yeah, I think we can use kite. Yeah, the K in kite. Yeah, the ka. So we Sundanese read this as ka. The ka in kite. Yeah, and then this is L. Yeah, the L of long. Yeah, the L of long. Yeah, and then this one is M. The M of mother. Yeah, the M of mother. This is N. The N of noon. Yeah. This is O, always O. The O of dog. Ah, yeah, the O of dog. Yeah. This is pe, yeah, as in prick. Yeah, the pe in prick. Yeah, this one is the pe of prick. Okay, and then we have some other sets of letters. Yeah, we have some other sets of letters. So let's continue. We have Q. Sorry, wrong color. Yeah, Q R S T U P. Yeah, this is the Q key. Yeah, we read the Sundanese read it as either key or Q, as in queen. The key of queen. This is R, the R of rascal. Yeah. This is S, the S of start. It's T, the T of tooth. This is U, the U of pure. Not pure, it's U. The U of bum, not bum. The sound, it sounds like boom. The double U here, the sound U is like the double O in boom, gitu ya. The sound U in boom. And then fe, it's like vape, the V of vape. Yeah, the V of vape. And then we have the rest of the alphabet letters. W, X, Y, and Z. Yeah. This one is W, as in wheel. This one is X, as in extra. This one is Y, as in YOLO. This one is Z, as in zebra. Yeah. So all Latin letters have one voice. Yeah. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Yeah. Additionally, Sundanese recognizes two other E's. Yeah. So the A in Sundanese, yeah, actually has three variants. Yeah. We have this one, and this one with three different voices. Yeah. This one without any modifier is read as in the this is a Sundanese or Indonesian word bedul. Now the A is the sound is like bedul, or let's say bedil. This is a Sundanese word that means a rifle or a gun. Yeah, bedul, bedil. The is like that. For the one using this one, it's read as the A, the A in ketchup. Yeah. Or in English, this is also a loan word from English, although the meaning is quite different. Yeah. This is the A. This one is B, this one is A, ketchup. Or this is a Sundanese word that means catching a cold, yeah. Hareeng. Yeah. Hareeng. That means you're catching a cold. Hareeng. So the A is like that. It's read like that. Yeah. If you use this little curak, we call it curak in Sundanese. Yeah. For this one, you read it as as in this is a Sundanese word. Yeah, means unavailable. Means empty or unavailable. So if you see word enu, eu, it's read as So this b, like a compressed b. This one is and this one is like a bolder So w. This one is w. Yeah. So Sundanese uses the same Latin letters, and the sound in Sundanese has 3 variants. Yeah, you can also say that Sundanese has 7 vocal letters. Yeah, a, I, u, and o. Yeah, you can also say that Sundanese has 7 letters. Okay. At the end, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions about Sundanese culture or the Sundanese people, language, maybe places in West Java, or any question you want to ask about, yeah, as long as I can help, feel free to ask your question in the comments and I can help you as much as I can. Okay? See you in the next video. Bye-bye.